Mrs. Tardado, manipod ako kay Santa Cruz, Ilocos Sur. Sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dream I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken. So I hung my head and cried. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. I always love you and make you happy if you will only say the same. But if you leave me to love another, you'll regret it on one day. Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Let me see forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words,
sound check. Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba kaya ang kuyakan at sakain? Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung mabuti na ang buho ko, pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na din. Sabay tayo manangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko laging sa'yo. Kahit mabuti na ang buho ko. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko laging sa'yo. Kahit mabuti, kahit mabuti, kahit mabuti na ang buho ko. I wanna make you smile, whatever you say. Carry you around when you're a child's despair. All I wanna do is grow up with you. I get your medicine when your tummy aches. Build your fire if the furnace breaks. It could be so nice growing up with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my gold when you are cold. Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes and all kitchen sink. Put you to bed with your hand to match your tree. I could be the man who grows up with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my gold when you are cold. Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes at our kitchen sink. Put you to bed with your hands and match your tree. I could be the man who grows up with you. I wanna grow up with you. I wanna grow up with you. on shore, I'm in control. I'll lady with a plan. Believing that life is a neat little package I hold in my hand. I got it together, they call me a boy who do just what I say and do. Still I fumble and fall right into the wall. Cause when it comes to you, I'm just another woman in love. I get out of school, I'm fighter of control. Just another fool, you touch me and I'm weak, like a feather with a reed. And I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. So pardon me if I should stare and trouble like a child. That wanting to look all over your face is driving me wild. I'm just what you make me, can't wait till you take me and set all my feelings free. I know that you care, so you can be my man. Tonight I wanna be, I'm just another woman in love. I get out of school, I'm fighter of control. Just another fool, he touched me and I'm weak, like a feather with a beat. And I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. I'm just another woman in love. I get out of school, I'm fighter of control. Just another fool, you touch me and I'm weak, like a feather with a beat. And I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love.
And so once again, the dedication starts in 10 minutes. Thank you so much. Yeah, so once again, the dedication starts in 10 minutes, Paul. Thank you so much. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pa iyong damdamin. Hayaan na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Kung ika'y magiging akin, di ka na muling luluha pa. Pangakong di ka lolokohin ng puso kong nagmamahal. Kung ako'y papalari na ako yung mahal na rin. Pangakong ikaw lang ang iibigin ba magkailanman. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pa iyong damdamin. Hayaan na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Kung ako'y mamalasin at meron ka na ibang mahal, ngunit patuloy ang aking pag-ibig magkailanman. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pa iyong You were searching for a place to hide, lost in lonely. Now you've given me the will to survive. Where we're hungry, love will keep us alive. Don't you worry, sometimes you just gotta let it ride. The world is changing right before your eyes. Now I found you, there's no more emptiness inside. Where we're hungry, love will keep us alive. I would die for you, climb the highest mountain. Baby, there's nothing I wanna do. Now I found you, there's no more emptiness inside. I am hungry, love will keep us alive. Yes, once again, we are the Sweet Blend Band, Mr. and Mrs. Star, the duo, all the way from Santa Cruz, Ilocos.
Stuck on you, I gotta spin down, tipping my soul that I just can't lose. 'Cause I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. 'Cause I'm on my way. I'm not glad to stay. I'm stuck on you, been for too long. I guess it's time for me to come home. 'Cause I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like you could wait around for a man like me. 'Cause I'm on my way. I'm not glad to stay. I'm leaving on time, midnight to rain tomorrow. And I know just where I'm going. I pack up my troubles and I throw them all away. It's this time, be the time I'm coming home to stay. Yeah, I'm stuck on you. I gotta spin it down, tipping my soul that it just can't lose. 'Cause I'm on my way. Needed a friend, And the way I feel now, guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. I'm not glad to stay. And I know just where I'm going. I pack up my troubles and I throw them all away. 'Cause this time, I'm coming home to stay. My soul that I just can't lose. 'Cause I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. 'Cause I'm on my way. I'm not glad you stay. I'm glad to stay. I'm not glad to stay.
Nakatanggap ako ng sulat mula sa amin. Nakala